Hello everyone! Here at Popular Robotics, our vision is to empower the robotics community and to make robotics accessible to everyone in the modern world. Our educational and social networking platform, Robociti.com, revolutionizes the way robotics is taught. By making it easier for all people to learn how to make robots, use them in their daily lives, and to connect with others, we're building the most innovative and creative community of tech pioneers. With a few clicks, anyone around the world can register on our platform, have access to course content about robotics theory, the hands-on assembly of a robot, how to program it, and actually deploy the programs on the robots through our platform in order to complete fun tasks, all while staying connected with their friends. Through social interaction and gamification, learning about and using robots becomes a fun process that everyone can enjoy, which can get the entire society ready for the robotic reality that is coming. This is why we invite you to support our platform and help us shape the future of robotics. Thank you.